of graduate engineer training. Okay, this is Nuclear Power Corporation of India. So the recruitment of engineer graduates in the NPCL through GATE exams. Okay. NPCL through GATE exams. NPCL is the premier public sector enterprise, the administrative control of the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, having the comprehensive capability in all phases of nuclear technology, namely setting NPPS, design, construction and commissioning, operation, maintenance, renovation, modernization, upgradation, plant life extension. The NPCL is planning to recruit the engineers graduates as executive trainee. Okay, ED 2022 in mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and civil disciplines. Okay, mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and civil disciplines. They call for the call for is based on the valid GATE score in any of the one of the discipline mentioned at the time of applying online in NPCL. Shortlisting of candidates for the interview will be done based on the GATE score. Okay, so GATE score students only can apply for this particular post. So the detail of advertisement will be available on NPCL website. So www.npclcareers.co.in. okay, this is office and www.npcl.nicdn tentatively within 10 days from the date of announcement of GATE 2022 results. Okay, so tentatively within 10 days from the date of announcement of GATE 2022 results. Okay, the last date of the receipt of application is 10th April 2022 tentatively. So last date is 10th April 2022. The candidates may visit https://gate.iitkgp.ac.in or any of the GATE zone website of IISc and IITs for detailed information on GATE 2022. So any further information addendum would be uploaded on the NPCL website mentioned above. Okay. So this is the based on the GATE score only. So the tentatively, so after the tentatively within 10 days from the date of announcement of GATE 2020 results. Last date of the receipt of application is 10th April 2022. Tentatively, the discipline is mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and civil disciplines. Okay. Is